Most people get this wrong and assume the Spotify student discount is complicated or unavailable in their country. Here's the truth no one tells you. The discount is real, but it only works if your student status is verified correctly through the official system. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get the Spotify student discount in 2026, who is eligible, how verification works, and how to avoid the common mistakes that cause rejection. Let's start with the basics. The student discount is offered by Spotify to verified college or university students. It gives you premium at a much lower monthly price, along with all the usual benefits like ad-free music, offline downloads, and unlimited skips. Now here's where most people fail. They try to sign up without proper documents or enter incorrect details. The verification system is strict because it must confirm that you are actively enrolled in an approved institution. So here's the correct step-by-step process. First, go to the Spotify Premium page and select the student plan. Log in with your account or create a new one. Then you will be redirected to a verification partner, usually SHERID in many regions. This is where you enter your college or university name, your full legal name, and your enrollment details. Now here's the important part. Everything must match your official school records exactly. Even small spelling differences can cause rejection. Next, you may need to upload proof. This could be your student ID card, enrollment letter, or class schedule. Make sure the document is clear, not cropped, and fully readable. Now here's where it gets interesting. In many cases, verification is instant. But sometimes it takes a few hours or even a day if manual review is needed. If your application is delayed, it does not always mean rejection. It usually means they are checking your documents carefully. Once approved, your Spotify account automatically switches to the student discounted premium plan. You immediately unlock all premium features at a reduced price. But here's a detail many users miss. The student discount is not permanent. It is usually valid for 1 year and must be re-verified if you are still a student. If you stop being a student, your plan will automatically switch back to the standard price. To avoid issues, always use real documents, ensure your school is eligible, and keep your information consistent across all forms. So to wrap it up, getting the Spotify student discount in 2026 is simple if you follow the official process. Verify your enrollment, submit correct documents, and make sure everything matches your school records. If this helped you understand how it works, like the video, comment if you were approved or rejected, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.